Hello, I'm Vinny Melpara. I am currently pursuing my master's in Musculoskeletal Physiotherapy from TMV's Lokmanya Tilak College of Physiotherapy. Our MSK department offers structured OPD postings, which helps us see various types of patients on daily basis and helps us with our assessment and treatment skills. We have regular case discussions, seminars, and journal clubs, which help us understand each condition from different perspectives and stay updated with evidence-based practice. Along with this, we also visit rehabilitation centers and hospitals, which exposes us to interdisciplinary teamwork and varied patient care settings. The college actively encourages us to participate in health camps, community screenings, and other drives in order to gain confidence in treating patients with different backgrounds. This balanced approach of learning, clinical exposure, and guidance has truly shaped my growth and my strength in foundation for musculoskeletal physiotherapy.
Hi, I'm Dimple Bhore. I'm pursuing Masters in Musculoskeletal Physiotherapy from Lokmanya College of Physiotherapy. Our department is well equipped with all the rehabilitation tools. We have hands-on practice in various assessment devices like algometer, handheld dynamometer, pressure biofeedback device. These devices help us to plan our patients' progress and monitor their progress effectively. We are trained to assess and manage sports-related injuries and in athletic population, which has enhanced my understanding of functional training. With time, we have also get opportunities to do supervised individual patient management, which builds my decision making and increases my confidence in clinical practice. We also undergo continuous internal evaluation through case presentations and discussions that help define our problem-solving skills and presentations. We are truly grateful to our principal ma'am, Dr. Pranjal Grover ma'am, and to our HOD, Dr. Sibi Joseph sir, for creating such a strong academic and clinical learning environment.
Our associate professors, Dr. Dipali Rathod, Dr. Rutra Chete, and our assistant professors, Dr. Danish Sheikh and Dr. Anushri Gowde, has guided us with patience, clarity, and hands-on experiences. Their encouragement with participating in various workshops and conferences has helped us grow with confidence and professionalism every day.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Himani Parekh, currently pursuing Masters in NeuroPhysiotherapy.
Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Sojas Pitale and I am pursuing Masters in NeuroPhysiotherapy at Lokmanya College of Physiotherapy.
Our principal, Dr. Pranjal Grover ma'am, our head of Department of Neurosciences, Dr. Satish Pimpre sir, are a great source of inspiration and constant support. Dr. Apurva, Dr. Trupti, Dr. Vaishali and Dr. Ruchira are important pillars of our department, and their dedication to patient care, research and teaching creates an inspiring learning environment for all of us as students. We get hands-on training with rehab tools like EMG, assessment tools like algometers and handheld dynamometers, and our clinical postings at Apollo Hospital, NMMC Nerul, Divyang Special School, Child Rehabilitation Center Nerul and Khargar give us an experience of pediatric cases, adult, acute, chronic and even rare NICU and PICU cases, and we can see patients actually progress over time.
We also enjoy various health camps, sports events and cultural fests like Sankalp, which boosts our overall personality as well as confidence. Some of the most exciting highlights of our PG1 was going to Midway Home in Korai, then Autobok, which was basically where they showed us about prosthetics and orthotic fabrication, and also we went to AIPMR, which is All India Institute of Physical Medicine and Rehabilitation. On World Autism Day, we conducted a survey on handwriting challenges and also explained the parents about bridging accessibility and healthcare. I'm glad to tell you that our neuro department has achieved a huge milestone by getting a patent and copyright of our innovative technique, which shows our commitment to neuro rehabilitation.